This is Emida Fashion's in-depth training. Please don't be quick to swipe away. You can learn something new. My name is Emilia, your tutor on this channel. Today, we'll be learning how to create garters. Please help this channel by hitting the subscription button. Thank you. Change your machine's settings to garters. Repeat the same procedure again, giving you 2 lines. Time to create our garters. Remove 2 threads out at the positive side of your fabric. After, create a notch at the center of your fabric. Hold your 2 threads firmly and spread out your garters. Spread it gently. Gently spread it along and make sure or be careful not to tear your thread. Spread it out to the center notch and spread the other half also to the center notch. This is how our garters looks like. We will continue in the next video where we will be learning to add the top bodies to the garters we've created and also how to spread out our garters evenly while stitching. Thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to hit the subscription button.